Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about metamorphosis of amosit larva. Amosit larva is present in the life cycle of Petromyzon. Here we can see a Petromyzon attached with a fish as a parasite. So it is a marine animal and attached to the fish with its suctorial buccal funnel, which has mouth with teeth. Then for the reproduction, the lamprey or Petromyzon marinus migrates to river and an amosit larva is formed. Amosit larva remains partially buried in the sand. Then it transforms or metamorphosized into an adult lamprey, which again migrates towards the oceans. So, how the larva is transformed into an adult? There are few differences between amosit larva and adult Petromyzon marinus. The first difference is that here is an oral hood is present, whereas a buccal funnel is present in adult. Then rudimentary eyes are present in larva, whereas functional eyes are present in adult. Here is dorsal fin, which is single in larva, but the dorsal fin splits into two in adult. So these are the few differences between larva and adult. Larva lives in fresh water, in rivers, whereas adult lives in marine water, in sea. After a prolonged period of 3 to 6 years, the amosit larva undergoes metamorphosis. During metamorphosis, the following changes occurs. First, the larva leaves the burrow and leads a free swimming life. Then it migrates from the freshwater habitat to the marine habitat. The filter feeding habit of the larva is changed in sanguivorous habit of adult, that is blood sucking habit, because as we know that the adult Petromyzon is a parasite on fish, so it is sanguivorous with blood sucking habit. The oral hood disappears and a buccal funnel with teeth and tongue appears. The continuous median fin breaks into two dorsal fins and in continuation with the caudal fin. The paired eyes become uncovered and functional. The endostyle changes into the thyroid gland. The gallbladder and bile duct disappear. A respiratory tube develops from the pharynx. The velum is reduced. The pronephros is replaced by mesonephros. The spinal cord becomes flattened. The rudimentary skull and branchial basket are fully developed. Supporting skeletal tissues of the upper lip and tongue is also formed. The pericardial cavity becomes completely separate from the general body cavity. The larval head muscles are reformed during metamorphosis. The color of the skin changes from muddy brown to metallic. The amosit larva exhibits striking similarities with Amphioxus. It is very primitive and generalized vertebrate. It may be regarded as the connection link between Amphioxus and cyclostomes. So these are the changes which occurs during the metamorphosis of amosit larva into adult Patromyzon. Thank you very much.